Madam Moderator, my name is Renan Bassett, and I am a member of the Recreation Committee. Article 16G is requesting $120,000 from free cash for the design and engineering costs associated with the renovation of the clubhouse at the Pine Meadows Golf Club. The clubhouse, approximately 2,835 square feet in size, was constructed prior to the town's acquisition of the property in 1988. It has not undergone significant renovations in the past 30 years and does not meet ADA compliance recommendations. The clubhouse, an associated golf club, is used as a recreational and revenue resource for the town of Lexington year-round. Most recently, in fiscal year 2022, almost 43,000 rounds of golf were played, bringing in almost $1.1 million of revenue, further enabling a highly active and diverse recreational opportunities for residents of all ages and abilities. The golf course also supports the golf teams of both Lexington and Minutemen high schools and offers youth and adult lessons in 14 adult leagues. The revenue generated supports the Recreation Enterprise Fund, allowing for affordable services throughout the year. This project will engage a professional architect to develop design and engineering documents for the complete renovation of the clubhouse, including but not limited to renovation and/or replacements of the main concourse area, the restrooms, plumbing systems and fixtures, windows, roof, and additional work as needed to improve accessibility and bring the building into ADA compliance. The HVAC units will be included, and there is interest in a net zero facility with solar panels on the roof and/or canopies over some of the parking area. The accessibility issues at the current clubhouse were identified as the #2 priority for remediation by the Commission on Disability in the 2017 ADA compliance study. This request was initially submitted for fiscal year 2021 and again for fiscal year 2022, but was withdrawn because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Madam Moderator, the Recreation Committee unanimously supports and recommends approval of Article 16G.